Xin chào, tên tôi là Alicia và đây là Alicia Learns Vietnamese. Today I am coming to you guys with a request and a challenge for our native Vietnamese speakers who are interested in kind of language exchange and helping new VLLs learn Vietnamese. And what I'm asking for is a short video introduction, which uses very basic expressions and words that are kind of the first things that we learn as Vietnamese language learners, or anyone learning any language, essentially. Your age, how to say your name, where you're from, maybe talk about your family and some hobbies, basic things like that. And the idea is to help supplement listening materials for beginning students. I have not found a great resource for this. I know some videos on TVO are really good. I've found a couple other listening activities that are great, but for the most part, I think listening activities that are aimed at very low-level students are either overcomplicated, they're way too fast, or they use so much new vocabulary that in order to actually utilize them to test your listening skills, you would need to go back and study a whole bunch of new vocabulary before you can even access the material. So I wanted to help address this issue, address this hole in the Vietnamese learning materials by asking Vietnamese native speakers to complete what I call the rất vui khi được gặp các bạn challenge. It's a little bit of a mouthful, especially for new Vietnamese learners, but as many of you probably already know, that means, or is roughly translated to very nice to meet you guys. Challenge. So I will do an example of an introduction in my very best Vietnamese. This should hopefully help you guys get an idea of, maybe for someone who is still in that A1, approaching maybe A2 level, what their level of fluency is like. And you then can hopefully try to match that speed, just to make the listening a bit easier for us beginners. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'm a little bit nervous. Xin chào, tên tôi là Alicia và tôi 31 tuổi. Tôi có một chị gái và một anh trai. Họ sống ở California. Tôi cũng đến từ California, nhưng tôi sống ở Đà Nẵng với thống của tôi. Bây giờ chúng tôi ở Mỹ. Tôi thích hát karaoke và đi biển. Tôi cũng thích viết, đọc và học tiếng Việt. Tôi cũng nói tiếng Anh và tiếng Tây Ban Nha. Rất vui khi được gặp các bạn. Alright, now that you've got an idea of what I'm looking for, I would love to hear your submissions to the challenge. Go ahead and just upload the video on your own personal YouTube. Make sure though that you do put a transcript in the description box saying everything that you said in your video. That way us VLLs can look up any new vocabulary that we don't know. Hopefully you're keeping it pretty simple for us though. Don't complicate it too much. If you do make that video downloadable, I will feature it in a future episode of Alicia Learns Vietnamese. Otherwise, I will share that link so that other VLLs can check it out on your site if that's the way you'd prefer to do it. Looking forward to hearing from all you guys, and I will keep studying. See you next time. Tạm biệt.